check that before I said it wrong. All right, guys, here we go. We're climbing the lift hill on Liseberg's somewhat new Valkyria B&M dive machine, and we're here in Sweden. All right, guys, here we go. Oh, check this out. This is a beautiful view of the park right here. Got Helix over on your left, Balder's over on our right. Oh, crap. Don't look down. Here we go. Woo-ho-ho-ho! Woo! Oh, man. Oh, ready? Woo! And woo! Oh, that was fun. Woo! All right, guys, so here we are on Helix at Liseberg. We're dropping right out of the station, straight into an inversion. I love it. Okay, and hello, tree. Goodbye, tree. Here we go. First launch. Whee! Oh! Here we go, guys. Oh! Oh, man. And woo! Oh, this ride feels so fast. I'm ready for some air time. Oh my God! And oh! Woo! Oh, that was air time into that, whatever that was. Turn, curve, under the log flume. And launch number 2. Oh! Hello, Lisebergbanan. Oh my God! Woo! Oh, here we go. Hooray! I love the inversion right into the brakes. Whew! All right, guys, here we go. We're riding Balder at Liseberg, and this is still one of my favorite roller coasters on the planet. I mean, this has got to be what, 15 years old now, I think, close to it.
Yeah, actually older.
Is it older? Oh God, that's right. Yeah, this ride is incredible, and it's held up so well over the years. I mean, it is worth a trip to Sweden alone just to come out and ride this coaster. And then over at Liseberg, you've got Helix and Valkyria and everybody. Oh crap, here we go. I gotta stop talking because I gotta start screaming. Oh my God. Oh, the airtime on this ride is ridiculous. Here we go. Oh, airtime into a shed. Oh, this ride never lets up. Ready? Whee! Oh, God. Whee! It's like this ride tries to kill you over and over. And it is so smooth. Woo! Oh my God. All right, kids, here we go. Ready? 1 and 2. You can't help but to laugh all the way around. Whee! Oh my God. Whew, hang on, I gotta catch my breath. Balder at Liseberg, seriously, still just a ridiculously kick-ass ride. Oh my God. All right.